If your rent week feels like a deadline, you're not alone. Right now, more than 54% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. Groceries cost more. Rent keeps climbing. Interest rates are still high. And it feels like you're working harder but still falling behind.
Um, Walter, when are you going to pay the rent?
Damn it! Why does this happen every month?
I apologize for this. Let's continue. But here's the truth most people never hear. If you follow 3 simple steps, you can break out of the paycheck to paycheck cycle in the next 90 days. Not in 5 years, not someday, but in 90 days. I'm Walter, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it, even if you feel stuck. Let's get started. I used to be in the exact same place. My paycheck came in, I paid rent, groceries, my car payment, student loans, and suddenly I had maybe $80 left for the rest of the month. And if my car needed a repair, that was it. Ramen noodles and stress for 2 weeks straight. I wasn't irresponsible. I wasn't bad with money. The system was squeezing me, and it's squeezing millions of Americans the same way. Between 2024 and 2025, rent went up as much as 12%. The average car payment hit $738 a month. Groceries climbed again. Credit card interest stayed above 20%. So if you feel like your money disappears instantly, you're not imagining it. But what changed everything for me wasn't luck or a raise or some financial miracle. It was a simple system. 3 steps I applied consistently. And once I did, everything shifted. Let's start with step 1, the piece nobody talks about, but everyone needs. Step 1, fix your money timing. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a timing problem. Here's what I mean. Most Americans get paid every 2 weeks, but rent is monthly, utilities hit on random days, subscriptions hit whenever they want, groceries hit constantly, and debt hits whenever the lender feels like it. Your money gets attacked unevenly, and that uneven timing is what keeps you stuck. The solution is the 4-bucket system. Bucket 1, essentials: rent, groceries, utilities, phone, internet. Every essential bill comes from this bucket. Everything automated. Bucket 2, variable spending: gas, eating out, small purchases. Refilled weekly. When it's empty, you stop. No guilt. Bucket 3, savings. Automatically move $10 to $30 every paycheck. Small, but consistent. Bucket 4, debt. Minimums automated. Extra payments from this bucket only. When every dollar has a job, you stop panicking every time you open your banking app. Clarity alone removes nearly 40% of financial stress. Step 2, increase cash flow. You cannot budget your way out of the paycheck to paycheck cycle. You need margin, and margin comes from cash flow, not cutting coffee. Most Americans don't have a spending problem. They have an income problem. And in 2025 and 2026, the fastest way out is increasing your cash flow. Not in 6 months, but this week. This is the 7-day cash flow rule. Pick one of these 3 fast income systems. Option A, the weekend plan. Friday night DoorDash for 4 hours, $80 to $100. Saturday morning thrift flipping, $40 to $100 profit. Sunday TaskRabbit gig, $60 to $120. That's $180 to $300 per weekend, or $600 to $1,000 a month. Option B, dog walking and pet sitting. Americans spent $140 billion on pets last year. Demand is exploding. Even beginners earn $300 to $500 a month. Option C, tiny freelancing. Businesses need short blog posts, captions, product descriptions, proofreading. Do 3 or 4 of these a week at $20 to $40 each, and you make $200 to $600 a month. Cash flow is the engine. Budgeting is the steering wheel. Both matter, but without cash flow, you stay stuck. Step 3, build a $300 buffer. Most people think they need a $5,000 emergency fund. That's the long-term goal. But the first thing that actually breaks the paycheck cycle is just $300. The average American emergency costs $200 to $350. 46% of Americans can't cover that. So they use credit cards, start the next month behind, and the cycle resets. But when you have even $300 saved, everything changes. You stop relying on credit. You stop starting the month in the negative. You finally stabilize. So how do you build the first $300? Method A, the 10-day challenge. Save $30 a day for 10 days using any fast income method. Method B, automatic transfers. $15 every payday. Method C, cut one habit for 30 days. Eating out, alcohol, or paid apps. Combine two methods and you'll hit $300 easily. Once you have that buffer, stress drops instantly. Life stops feeling like a financial emergency, and the paycheck cycle starts to break. You're not stuck because you're bad with money. You're stuck because everything has gotten more expensive, and nobody taught you a system that actually works. But now you have that system. Fix your money timing, increase your cash flow, build the first $300, and everything becomes easier. Saving, paying off debt, investing, stability. This is how ordinary Americans are breaking the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle in 2026. Here's your 7-day action plan. Today, set up the 4 buckets. Tomorrow, choose one cash flow method: DoorDash, freelancing, flipping, or dog walking. This week, build your first $50 to $100. This month, hit $300. Do that, and you're done living paycheck to paycheck. If this video helped, subscribe for more simple money lessons every week. And comment below, which step are you starting with today? I'm Walter. See you next week.